Late model Accord, Civic, and CRV Camber caster adjustable upper ball joint. Problem: on late model Honda vehicles, there is no provision for adjusting and maintaining recommended camber and caster angles. Solution: replacing the factory upper non-adjustable ball joint with our new camber caster adjustable ball joint, providing up to 2-degree range of adjustment. Determine which side of the vehicle needs the most correction and start with that side. Note: if a camber correction of greater than 1 degree per side is needed, perform an SAI, an included angle measurement, to check vehicle for bent suspension components. Raise vehicle so suspension hangs freely and supports safely. To remove factory upper ball joint from vehicle, begin by removing cover, cotter pin, and nut from ball joint stud. Using a ball joint removing tool or other appropriate tool, separate upper ball joint from steering knuckle. Secure the knuckle, being careful not to dislodge inner CV joint. Remove circlip and dust boot from ball joint. Remove factory ball joint from control arm by using standard ball joint press. Note: optional stud adapter and receiver tube make removal easier. Before installing new adjustable ball joint, inspect upper control arm for any burrs or rust and remove. Install new adjustable ball joint in upper control arm hole from below. For angle changes less than 1/2 degree, use 1/2 degree ball joint. For angle changes of 1/2 degree to 1 degree, use 1 degree ball joint. Place retaining washer on ball joint from above, making sure chamfered edge faces down against control arm. Loosely install locking nut to hold ball joint in place, but do not tighten at this time. Install new dust boot supplied with ball joint. Reinstall steering knuckle to ball joint stud. Install nut and torque to 30 to 35 foot-pounds, 40 to 48 Newton meters. Install cotter key. Note: if holes do not line up, advance nut to next slot position. Reinstall tire and wheel assembly. Install alignment heads and recompensate. Lower vehicle onto rack and jounce suspension. Note: because position of ball joint has changed, a new caster sweep must be taken. To adjust camber and caster, use a 1 5/8 inch wrench. Turn ball joint housing assembly in either direction until desired camber readings are achieved. While holding ball joint housing to prevent rotation, torque upper ball joint shaft to 100 foot-pounds, 136 Newton meters. Proceed with the rest of alignment and road test the vehicle.